So here we are in our Image Fusion interface. You'll notice that in this mode, we don't have the usual templates or composition rules. That's because when fusing multiple images, we need to keep the prompt simple and direct. This helps the AI avoid hallucinations, but still gives it enough freedom to create something new and interesting. So for our prompt, we'll write, generate a professional studio photo where the woman from the first image is showcasing the bag from the second image in a lively, energetic manner. The background will be a soft, vivid saffron colour. We can keep it simple like that. I'm sure that will be enough for the AI to understand. I'll copy this prompt just for future testing. But for now, let's try using the Improve Prompt feature to see what it comes up with. Now, in my experience, the Improve Prompt feature doesn't always make it better, but let's see what it did this time. Okay, it wrote, professional studio fashion photograph of a female model captured mid-motion, exuding a vibrant and energetic aura. You see, it's already given us a much richer interpretation of what we wanted to achieve. Her expression is joyful and radiant, with a wide, genuine smile. Her pose is dynamic and engaging, prominently showcasing the designer handbag. It's nice that it used a neutral term like designer handbag, avoiding any specifics we didn't provide. Her hair is flowing gracefully, and the fabric of her clothing subtly moves, emphasizing the sense of vitality. So it definitely gave us a lot more to work with. Now, sometimes improving a prompt can lead to inconsistencies, so this is always a bit of a test. Let's see what happens. Wow. We have a very interesting result here. The pose is pretty similar to the original image, but the AI perfectly adapted it so she's holding the bag right in the center of the view. And I really like this detail. See how her hair is flowing toward the opposite side of the light source. It creates a beautiful composition with the shadow. Her foot is in the same position as before, but it works perfectly. We have the soft saffron background we wanted, and it's projecting her shadow nicely on the right side. I think it's a really great composition. And please ignore this red dot here on my screen. That's just a reference point for my testing. The center line is perfect. Sorry about that. Yeah, that's it. I really like this image, so we'll download this one. I'm also going to save it to the gallery so we can use this image later to recompose it or add new elements. For this tutorial, that's everything we need to do. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.